Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, in yesterday's class we have seen the example number 7 and example number 8, and also I have given the homework questions from the exercise 6.3, question number 3, 4, 5. Now in the today's class we will going to learn example question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 solution, and if we get more time then we will see another questions also. Let us see what is given in the question number 3. See here in question number 3, diagonals AC and BD. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC, with side AB parallel to DC, intersect each other at point O. Here diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point O. Point O पे वो intersect कर रहे हैं, and here side trapezium ABCD is given and side AB is parallel to DC. Now using a similar criteria for a two triangles, show that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. We have to show here. See how to show this. First we will draw the diagram according to given. See here. This is a trapezium ABCD. I will draw first trapezium ABCD. Name it as a ABCD. This is a trapezium ABCD, and here side AB is parallel to DC is given. This side AB is parallel to DC is given, and AC, diagonal AC and BD. Diagonal, I will draw the diagonal AC and diagonal BD. This diagonal BD intersect each other at point O. This point is O. These two diagonals intersect at each other at a point O. Now what we have to prove here? We have to prove here OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. See here how to prove. Solution. Given, first I will write given ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium given, and AB parallel to DC. It is a given. What we have to prove or to show? Here we have to show that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. OB divided by OD we have to prove here. See here in these two triangles, in a triangle AOB and a triangle DOC, we have to prove that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. We have to show this. To show this, see here, proof. Now in triangle, we have to consider, to prove this, we have to consider these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle DOC. In a triangle AOB and triangle DOC, check in these two triangles what we know. Can I say that this angle, better I will mark over here, angle AOB is equal to angle AOC? Can I say that these two angles are equal? Why? What is the reason? These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Reason is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. In a class 9th we have learned this, vertically opposite angles are equal. And angle ABO, this one angle, see here, angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. Can I say that angle ODC? Angle ABO is equal to angle ODC. What is the reason? Why these two angles are equal? Why these two angles are equal? That is this angle and this angle. Why these two angles are equal? Because these are the alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles as AB parallel to DC. We know that AB parallel to DC, it is given in the question. Therefore, these two angles are the alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. And again one more angle is equal here. See here, this one angle. angle BAO is equal to angle OCD. Angle BAO is equal to angle OCD. What is the reason? Alternate angles. These are also alternate angles. Alternate angles. Now, see this. All the angles of a two triangles are we got equal here. In these two triangles, all the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, can we say that triangle AOB is similar to triangle? Now we have to write the corresponding vertices. See here, A correspond to which vertices? Vertices A correspond to vertices C. We will write C here. And O corresponds to O only because it is a common. And what is remaining here? D. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. By which criteria? By triple A similarity criteria. By triple A similarity. Therefore, now can I write this OA divided by side OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. This OB divided by OD. What is the reason? CPST. That is the corresponding part of a similar triangle. Hence, proved. We got the proof. Therefore, hence proved. Copy. Now we will see question number 4. See here in question number 4 what is given. In this figure, QR divided by QS, QR whole side divided by QS is equal to QT divided by QT's whole side divided by PR is given. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given. Show that triangle PQS. PQS means ये वाला triangle. In this triangle PQS and triangle TQR. ये वाला बड़ा वाला triangle. We have to show similar है. दोनों triangle similar है. We have to show here. See here. First I will write given data. What is given? Given QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. This is a given data and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This much is given, and to prove what we have to prove or to show, we have to show here triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. We have to show these two triangles are similar. Proof. See here how to prove this. Now, in a triangle PQR, we have to see in a triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Can I say that this side PQ is equal to PR? Yes, we can say that side PQ is equal to PR because side opposite to the equal angles are equal. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is the reason? This is a given data. Therefore, side PQ is equal to PR. Side PQ is equal to PR. What is the reason? Sides opposite to equal angle. Side opposite to equal angle are equal. Equal angles are equal. Now in triangle, now we will consider two triangles. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR. See here in these two triangles, here given that QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. What is the reason? It is a given. Now mark this as a equation number 1. Therefore, QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by, instead of PR, can I write PQ? Instead of PR, can I write PQ? Because PR is equal to PQ, we got in the equation number 1. Therefore, instead of PR, I have to write PQ. QT divided by PQ. What is the reason? From 1. From 1, you can say that QT divided by PQ. Instead of PR, I have written PQ only. Now see here, in these two triangles, in these two triangles, that is triangle PQS and triangle TQR, ये दोनों triangle में we got here QR divided by QS, QR whole side divided by QS, and QT divided by PQ. This whole side QT divided by PQ we got here. And again one more angle is equal here. We have to check here. Angle PQS is equal to angle TQS. Can I say that angle PQS is equal to angle TQR? Angle TQR. Why? Reason is common angle. These two are the common angles. See here. Angle Q lies in the both the triangles, that is in triangle PQS, in a triangle PQS and in a triangle TQR. ये दोनों triangle में angle Q is there. Therefore, angle Q is a common angle. Therefore, can I say that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR? Is similar to triangle TQR. Why? What is the reason? The reason is SAS similar criteria. By SAS similarity. By SAS similarity, that is side angle side. Here these sides are in the same ratio and included angle is equal. Therefore, we can say that by SAS rule these two triangles are similar. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 5. See here, in question number 5, what is given? S and T are the points on a side PR and QR of a triangle PQR. There is a triangle PQR. In that, S and T are the points on a side PR and QR. PR and QR पे S and points T are given. We have to prove that is such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to angle RTS is given, and we have to show here RPQ triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. We have to show here. See here, first we will draw the triangle according to the given condition. What is given? S and T are the points on a side PR and QR of a triangle PQR. So first you have to draw here triangle PQR. I will draw the triangle PQR. See here, this is a triangle PQR. In this triangle PQR, S and T are the points on a side PR and QR. Here, which is a side PR? On this side PR, there is a point S, and T points on the side QR. QR pe there is a point T. And what is given? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. This one angle, first I will join this point, S and T. Angle P is equal to angle RTS is given. That is, this one angle P is equal to angle RTS is given. This one, angle RTS is given. These two angles are equal. Now, we have to show here triangle RPQ is equal to, similar to triangle RTS. Here, how to prove? First, I will write given data. Given. In a given, what is given? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. This much only given. And what we have to prove? To prove triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. RPQ means which triangle? ये वाला बड़ा वाला triangle. This is RPQ. And triangle, which triangle? RTS is similar to triangle RTS. ये दोनों triangle, बड़ा वाला and छोटा वाला triangle, these two triangles are similar. We have to show here. Now, see here in a proof. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. In these two triangles, see here what are the equals? We have to check here. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. What is the reason? It is a given. We know that these two angles are equal. It is a given. And angle QRP is equal to angle TRS. What is the reason? Angle QRP is equal to angle TRS. Reason is common angle. Common angle, because angle R is common in the both the triangles. Therefore, angle R is a common angle and these two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. By which rule? By which rule? By AA similar criteria. By AA similarity. By AA similarity. We can say that by AA similarity, because we know that triple A similar criteria is also known as AA similar criteria. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 6. See in question number 6 what is given. If a triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, then we have to show that triangle ADE, this one triangle, is similar to triangle ABC. See here, I have marked this as a dotted line, that is triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ADC. It is a given here. Now, see here, I will write a given. What is given here? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. It is given. Now, to prove, what we have to prove? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. We have to prove here. See here, how to prove? Proof. We know that WKT means we know that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. That is triangle ABE, ये वाला dotted वाला triangle is congruent to triangle ACD. ये दोनों triangle congruent है. Then can I write this side AB is equal to AC? This side AB is equal to AC. Can I write? Yes. And one more thing, that is side AE is equal to AD. Can I write this AE is equal to AD? What is the reason? The reason for both is CP, CT. That is corresponding part of congruent triangle. That is corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. Therefore, these two sides are equal in the length. Now can I write? Now can I write AB by this side AB by AD is equal to AB by AD is equal to, instead of AB can I write AC, and instead of AD can I write AE? Yes. Which is equal to this ratio, that is AB by AD ratio is equal to AC by AE. Why? Because AB is equal to AC. Here we got AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE we got above. Therefore we can write AB by AD ratio is equal to AC by AE. This is true case. Now in triangle I will consider two triangles. In a triangle ABC and in triangle ADE. Now in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Consider these two triangles. See here, in these two triangles, so which ratios are equal here? From 1, mark it as equation number 1. Mark it as equation number 1. From 1, we can write AB divided by AD is equal to AC divided by AE. Is equal to AC divided by AE. What is the reason? The reason is from 1. From 1 we can write this. And we have to see in these two triangles, that is in a triangle ABC and in a triangle ADE. ये दोनों triangle में देखो. See here, in a triangle ABC and in a triangle ABE, we got a ratios of AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. These two ratios we got equal here. And check this angle A is whether common for both the triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle ADE के लिए angle A common है कि नहीं check करो. Therefore angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. What is the reason? This angle is a common angle. This reason is a common angle. Therefore, in these two triangles, we got two side ratios of two sides are equal and angle included between these two sides are same. Therefore, can we say that these two triangles are similar? Yes. By which criteria? By AS rule. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity. By SAS similarity criteria. Hence, proved. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 7. See in question number 7 what is given. In a figure, altitudes AD and CE, altitude AD and CE of a triangle ABC intersects each other at point P. ये दोनों altitude कहाँ intersect हो रहे हैं? At point P. It is given and we have to show that triangle AEP means which triangle? See here, this one triangle, triangle AEP, ये वाला triangle is similar to triangle CDP. Means ये दोनों triangle, this one triangle and ये वाला triangle, that is triangle CDP and triangle AEP. These two triangles are similar. We have to show here. See here how to prove. First one, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Now see here, in triangle AEP and in triangle CDP. ये दोनों triangle में AEP and CDP में we have to check here. Angle AEP is equal to angle CDP because both the angles are 90 degree. Therefore, angle AEP is equal to angle CDP. What is the reason? Each 90 degree. Each angle is of a 90 degree. Therefore, both the angles are equal. And can I say that angle APE is equal to this one angle. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Can I say that? Angle CPD. What is the reason? The reason is vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, now can I say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP? What is the reason? These two triangles are similar. Why? What is the reason? The reason is by AA similar criteria. By AA similar criteria. Because two angles we got equal. Therefore, we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Now we will prove second proof also. See in second proof what we have to prove? In a second proof, we have to prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE. See here, which triangle here given? Triangle ABD. Which triangle is triangle ABD? This one, triangle ABD. In this triangle and triangle CBE. Which triangle? This triangle, triangle CBE. In these two triangles, two angles are 90 degrees. See here, one angle is angle CEB. Angle E is 90 degree here, and another angle is also 90 degree. Angle ADB. Angle ADB is also 90 degree. Therefore, can we equate it? Yes. Angle ADB is equal to angle CEB. Angle CEB. What is the reason? Each 90 degree. Each angles are 90 degree. And check in these two triangles, which angle is common? In these two triangles, in a triangle ABD and in triangle CEB, can I say that angle B is a common? Therefore, angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. Angle CBE. What is the reason? Common angle. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. These two triangles are similar. Why? What is the reason? Because both the angles are equal by AA similar criteria. By AA similar criteria. By AA similar criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Now, see here, what is the third proof? The third proof is triangle AEP in triangle AEP and triangle ADB and triangle ADB. See here, in a triangle AEP means which triangle? In triangle AEP, this one triangle, chota wala. And in triangle ADB means this one, bigger triangle. In these two triangles, see here, in a triangle AEP, this angle E is 90 degree, and in triangle ADB, angle D is a 90 degree. Therefore, can we equate each? Yes. Angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. Angle ADB. What is the reason? Reason is each 90 degree. Each angle is of a 90 degree. Now you have to check in these two triangles, in the both the triangles, whether one of the angle is common here. Which angle is common here? Observe here, angle A is common in the both the triangles, that is in a triangle AEP and in triangle ADB. ये दोनों में angle A is a common. Therefore, angle EAP is equal to angle BAD because angle A is a common here. Therefore, common angle. The reason is common angle. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. What is the reason? The reason is AA similar criteria. AA similar criteria. Now, what is the fourth proof here? The fourth proof is triangle PDC, that is in this triangle PDC and triangle BEC. This triangle BEC. Prove this as a homework, and again I will give 2 to 3 questions for a homework in the PDF. You have to solve those 2 to 3 questions as a homework, and fourth question, that is the triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. This is also homework. You have to do it. Okay, bye students.